Hi everyone, I'm Fat Lurch, and I want to give a quick demonstration of my new Ammocan system for ARMA 3. This add-on modifies the way that ammunition works for turrets in vehicles. I want to create a system so that players could physically interact with ammo instead of it being some theoretical thing that exists in the turret and there's no way to reload in the field or any such thing. So with this add-on in place, the ammo cans themselves actually show up as physical items in the world that you can interact with. You can pick them up, put them on your character, and then you can move them to vehicles as you see fit. I'm still working on balancing and things like that to see how much space these should take up, etc. But right now the system's working in a beta form. So right here I've got a couple of RHS Humvees set up. The one on the right has 10 rounds left in the gun and there's some ammo in the vehicle. And the one on the left is set up with no ammo at all, so I can show how reloading in the field would work. So I'm going to jump into the gunner seat here. And right now you can see that I have 10 rounds in the gun. Now at the top right, with the vanilla behavior, you'd see that I have 10 rounds and then some theoretical amount of magazines that are still available for consumption. In this case, what the system has done is it's converted those theoretical magazines into physical objects in the inventory of the vehicle so that they can be interacted with. So right now, I have 10 rounds in the gun and I have 5 ammo cans available. So I'm going to go ahead and fire off these 10 rounds. The vehicle is going to reload like it usually would. I should say the turret is going to reload like it usually would. And now you can see that I've consumed one of the ammo cans. So with this system in place, you can set up more advanced loadouts, things like that, to where if you know you're going in and you're going to have to expend a lot of ammo in the 50 cal, you can plan ahead for that and logistically manage it. I will note that this system is compatible with my new vehicle loadout system. So if you want to have a standard of, say, 10 box mags in the vehicle, you'll be able to load and save that as standard. I'll have a link to that in the description. It's one of my other add-ons. Now I'll demonstrate the case where a vehicle has gone completely black. There's no ammo available for the gunner. So 0 in the gun, and right now there are no ammo cans in the inventory of the vehicle. I picked up some ammo cans earlier. They're compatible with the 50 cal. It's just standard 12.7 or 50 BMG. I loaded into the inventory, and for demonstration's sake, I'm going to go ahead and load 2. So I'm starting with 2 ammo cans in the vehicle. And when I close the inventory, the system detects that there's compatible ammo available, and it automatically consumes one of the ammo cans and loads the 50. So here I'm down to 1 ammo can available in the 50, and the 50 itself has been loaded with a 100-round belt. These ammo cans are going to show up in virtual arsenals, etc. as magazines themselves, so you can pick them up and put them on your character, create custom loadouts, etc. So in the case of the Ace Arsenal here, go over to magazines, they're all prefixed with ammo can. So makes them pretty easy to find. They're all going to be in the same general area. This also allows you to load different colors of tracers, things like that. Right now I don't have an interface to choose a specific ammo type, but let's say the Humvee spawns with red tracer and you want green tracer. Right now you'll have to burn through that red tracer, but if you put green tracer in the inventory, it'll start using green tracer. The other thing that this system does is it doesn't discriminate between add-ons. A 50 cal ammo can of 100 rounds of a tracer type, the way I have it set up, is going to work with all supported add-ons. Right now at this time, the supported add-ons are the vanilla vehicles, and the Blue 4 RHS ground vehicles. I'll be adding support for other add-ons in the future, but this is where I'm started right now. So the nice thing is this 50 cal ammo can is going to work in the 50 on an RHS asset. It'll also work on a vanilla asset, so long as that round type and that round count are supported. This also supports the Crows turrets and RHS, things like that. And like I said, I'll be adding support for more add-ons in the future. The other nice thing is this doesn't actually require the supported add-ons to function. So in this case, it supports RHS, but it doesn't require RHS. One of the things I'll be looking for help for in the future, if anyone's got time, is custom models for different types of ammo cans. Right now, a limitation of the system is everything shows up in the vanilla 50-round ammo can that's built into the game. I've created a model for the 50-round ammo can that looks a little better that I'll be incorporating soon, but I could really use some help on, the 20 millimeter ammo cans, foreign military ammo cans, things like that, and I'll be able to support more ammo types in the future. If you have any questions or comments, please post them on the Steam page for this add-on. I will not be checking the YouTube very often. I don't pay attention to the comments on YouTube. So if you have any questions or comments, like I said, please go to Steam, and I'll address them as soon as I'm able. Thanks for your time. Hope you enjoy.